Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to solve one of the important questions of salary chapter number 14, and this is your lecture number 3. Okay, so compute the tax liability of Sri Harichandan Prakash tax is whose whose total income is 49,42,551 lakh, and source of income is salary only. And this topic already comes in June 2018 examination, which is carries 5 marks. 5 marks. So let's solve these questions. So first, number A. So first we have to calculate 49,062,500 salary income. Okay, so here particulars rupees, computation of tax liability, computation of tax liability of Mr. H. Prakash, right? So here in question given 49,62,500, right? So total income, that is income from salary is 49,62,500. Okay, now as we know that we have to deduct standard deduction under section 16 IA, that is 50,000. Now the remaining will be 49,12,500. Clear? 49,12,500. Now as we know that tax on first 2.5 lakh is nil, right? Then tax on 2.5 to 5 lakh, that is, you can say 2.5 into 5 by 100, right? So it will be 2.5 lakh 2.5 lakh into 5%, that is 12,500. 12,500, right? Then next, tax on 5 lakh 1 to 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh, that is 5 lakh into 20%, right? So 5 lakh into 20% will be 5 lakh into 20% equal to 1 lakh. So here you can write 1 lakh. Now rest of the amount, tax on rest of the amount, that is 10 lakh to 49,062,500, right? To 49,62,500, that is 10 lakh to 49,62,500, that is 39 lakh 12,500 into 30% as per slab rate. Now we have to calculate 39 12,500 into 30%, that is 11 lakh 73,750. So here 11 lakh 73,750, and this all, if we add, this all will be 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 11 lakh 73,750. It will be 12 lakh 86,250. 12 lakh 86,250. So 12 lakh taxable income will be tax will be 12 lakh 86,250, right? Now we have to calculate cess. Health and education cess are health and education cess, that is 4%. 4% of 12 lakh 86,250. 12 lakh 86,240 into 4%, that is 51,450. So here 51,450, and the total tax income tax value will be 13 lakh 37,700. So here 13 lakh 37,700. This is the total tax liability. Total tax liability 13 lakh 37,700. First, in case of A, that is 49 lakh 62,500, ये 50 लाख से बिलो है, इसलिए सिंपल कैलकुलेशन हो गया. टोटल इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी था 49 लाख 62,500, इससे स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन हो गया अंडर सेक्शन 16 IAF, that is 50,000. So remaining amount will be 12,500. Now as we know that from tax on first 2.5 lakh will be nil, then 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh, that is 12,500, and then 5 lakh to 10 lakh, that is 5 lakh into 20%, that is 1 lakh. Then again tax on rest, that is 10 lakh to 49 lakh 62,500, that is 39 lakh 12,500 into 30%, the highest tax rate, and the tax amount will be 11,73,750, and the tax liability will be 12,86,250. Then add health and education is 4%, that is 51,450. So consolidated tax amount will be 13,37,700. Now comes to question number B, that is 51 lakh, which is very tricky. So now we have to solve question number B, that is salary income 51 lakh. In that case, how to calculate? Okay, so let's calculate. Particulars amount, right? So now first as we know that total income from salary is 51 lakh. Okay, similarly we have to deduct standard deduction under section 16 IA, that is 50,000, right? And the remaining will be 50 lakh 50,000. Okay, remaining will be 50 lakh 50,000. Then tax on 2.5 lakh, as we know that nil. Then tax on 2.5 to 5 lakh, that is 2.5 lakh into 5 by 100, as you know that it will be 12,500, right? Then again tax on 5 lakh to 10 lakh, that is 5 lakh into 20 by 100, है कि नहीं? 5 into 20, it will be 1 lakh. Okay, then remaining tax on 10 lakh to here. See, here the amount is given that salary income is 51 lakh. So in that case the calculation will be like this: tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh first, 50 lakh first, that is 40 lakh into 30 by 100, and it will be 40 40 lakh into 30%. It will be 12 lakh, 12 lakh, right? So 12 lakh, 12 lakh. Now here tax, as the amount is above 50 lakh but below 1 crore, then in that case we have to calculate surcharge. So tax before surcharge and cess, surcharge and cess will be 12 lakh, 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 12 lakh, that is 13 lakh 12,500, 13 lakh 12,500. now ऐड होगा surcharge, so how to calculate surcharge? As you know that if in case of individual and HUF, where total income exceeds 50 lakh but does not exceed 1 crore, in that case the aggregate of income tax and surcharge shall be restricted to tax on 50 lakh plus total income minus 50 lakh. कैलकुलेशन ऐसे होगा, टैक्स ऑन 50 लाख प्लस टोटल इनकम minus 50 lakh. As up to 50 lakh no surcharge, so here tax on 50 lakh will be 13 lakh 12,500. Tax on 50 lakh 13 lakh 12,500. Then here टोटल इनकम विल बी 50 लाख 50,000. इसमें जो स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन लेस होने के बाद जो आएगा 50 लाख 50,000. सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट इन दिस वे, टैक्स ऑन 50 lakh, that is 13 lakh 12,500 plus total income 15 lakh 50,000 minus 50 lakh. Okay, and it will be 13 lakh 12,500 plus 50,000 right? So it will be 13 lakh 62,500. 13 lakh 62,500. Okay, so now from this we have to calculate education cess, health and education cess, and health and education cess at the rate of 4%. That is 13 lakh 62,500 into 4 by 100. 13 lakh 62,500 into 4%, and it will be 13 lakh 62,500 into 4%, that is 54,500. It will be 54,500, and the remaining tax amount will be, the total tax amount will be 14 lakh 17,000. 14 lakh 17,000. 14 lakh 17,000. Okay, this is total tax liability for B. 14 lakh 17,000, because as here salary income is 51 lakh, that is 50 lakh से ज़्यादा 1 crore से less. In that case the surcharge will be applicable. So how to calculate surcharge? As we know that in case of individual and HUF, if where income exceeds 50 lakh but does not exceed 1 crore, then the aggregate of income tax and surcharge shall be restricted to first calculate tax on 50 lakh, then टोटल इनकम से 50 लाख लेस होगा एंड दैट विल बी सरचार्ज, एंड आफ्टर एडिशन ऑफ दैट सरचार्ज then cess will be calculate. So this way we have calculate total income 51 lakh, then we have to deduct standard deduction under section 16 IA, that is 50,000. It will be 50 lakh 50,000, and as you know, as per slab, first 2.5 lakh nil, then second 2.5 lakh into 5% 12,500, then third 5 lakh to 10 lakh, that is 20%, that is 1 lakh, then remaining tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh. As here the amount given 51 lakh, so we have to first calculate up to 50 lakh, that is tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh, that is 40 lakh into 30%, and that is 12 lakh, and then we have to calculate surcharge. So tax before surcharge and cess will be 13 lakh 12,500, and now surcharge will be surcharge at the rate of 10%. At the rate of 10% will be tax on 50 lakh plus total income minus 50 lakh. Tax on 50 lakh, that is 13 lakh 12,500, plus here total income given 50 lakh 50,000 माइनस इसमें 50 लाख माइनस हो जाएगा. सो द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट विल बी 50,000. सो surcharge will be 50,000. 50,000. So in this way the tax liability will be 13,62,500, and then add health and education cess, that is 4%. So the cess will be 54,500, and the remaining tax liability will be 14,17,000. 14,17,000. In case of A, as it is below 49 below 50 lakh, that is 49,62,500. So then calculation simply 49,12,500. Then as per slab, first 2.5 nil, then 2.5 to 5 lakh 12,500, then 5 lakh to 10 lakh, that is 5 lakh into 20% 1 lakh, then rest 10 lakh to 49 lakh 62,500, that is 11 lakh 73,750. And then after that we have to calculate health and education cess, that is 4%. So 51,450, and the total tax liability will be 13,37,700. But here as the income is above the 50 lakh, so the calculation is like this. First total income 51 lakh. Now you have to deduct, don't forget to less under section 16 IA, that is standard deduction, that is 50,000. So remaining amount will be 50,50,000. Now as per slab you have to calculate tax on 2.5 lakh nil, then 2.5 to 5 lakh, that is 5%, 12,500, then Again 5 lakh to 10 lakh, that is 5 lakh to 20%, that is 1 lakh. Again you have to calculate tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh, up to calculate 50 lakh, not 50. Here you have to calculate tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh, not 10 lakh to 50 lakh 50,000. Okay, as here income is exceed 50 lakh, so the calculation will be like this: tax on 10 lakh to 50 lakh, that is 40 lakh. 40 lakh into 30%, 12,000. So tax before surcharge and cess will be 13 lakh 12,500. Now we have to add surcharge at the rate of 10%. And how to calculate surcharge? In case the income exceed 50 lakh but below 1 crore, in that case the tax will be 50 lakh plus total income minus 50 lakh. So here 50 lakh tax on 50 lakh will be 13 lakh 12,500 plus total income 50 lakh 50,000 minus 50 lakh, and the amount is 50,000. So surcharge is 50,000. So 13 lakh 12,500 and 50,000 surcharge. The tax amount will be 13 lakh 62,500, and then we have to add health and education fees at the rate of 4%. So this will be 54,500, and the net tax liability for salary B will be 14 lakh 17,000. So this is it all about calculation of salary income of Mr. C. Harichandra Prakash. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.